Are you comfortable?
Of course, sir.
Okay, let me begin your test. Good afternoon, I'm your examiner today. My name is RP. Could you tell me your full name, please?
My name is Deepak.
Okay, Deepak, can I see your ID, please?
Of course, sir.
Just a minute. Fine, thank you. Do you work or are you a student?
I work as a student.
Okay, you are a student.
Yes, sir.
Tell me something about your family.
I belong nuclear family and there are 4 members, father, mother, sister and me.
Okay, do you like to live in nuclear family or joint family and why?
I prefer to live nuclear family because there are several reasons behind it. First and foremost is safe and security and also love each other.
Why do you like most in your family? Sorry, who do you like most in your family?
Well, it is very difficult to say which is very important for me. So sister is very important for me because it is help me in all kind of situation.
Okay, who is the head of your family?
My father is the head of my family because he control all kind of situations such as financial problem and many more.
Okay, is family pattern changing in your country and how?
According to me, yes, family pattern change during the modern era because if I talk about today's generation, so most of the generation want to go to the abroad. So we can see so like that family pattern change.
Okay, this is time for your cue card. Just a minute. This is your topic. You can take this pen, you can note down some important idea as well. Here you go. Your time starts now. Your time's up. Start, please.
Well, there are about lots of things during my life such as smartphone, computer, tablet and many more. Here I would like to talk about that thing which made me really happy. So it was the smartphone I bought from supermarket and there are several reasons behind it. So first and foremost is education system. Before the smartphone I found lot of difficulty regarding the topic. After smartphone I search within a one click. If I talk about future, so there are lots of futures such as WhatsApp, Insta, which gave me lots of knowledge such as relationship and many more. With the help of WhatsApp and Insta, I found my childhood friend, which gave me many more happiness. Apart from this, its benefits, so it is very benefit in several ways such as navigation system. We all know that in India have no good system, so with the help of navigation system we can reach in very easily in a destination. By and large I would like to say that, so that's are the reason why smartphone is very important for me.
Let me ask you some more questions. What are the difference between street market and supermarkets?
There are no big difference between the supermarket and street market. So according to me, in a supermarket we can we can buy all thing in one place, such as grocery products, beauty product, and many more. On the other side, street market we cannot buy easily, and difference are also we can found in the anything.
Mhm. Okay, why are many supermarkets built in the city center?
According to me, there are no any excuse. So if on first and foremost is space system. So in the city, space system is not large, so why many supermarket built in out of the countryside.
In your country, what is the most common thing people buy?
It is depend on the people. So many people about beauty system, grocery product, and many more, but main things are grocery products.
Okay, how often do people in your country go shopping?
It is depend on the people. So if I talk about office people, so office people prefer to go for shopping at the weekend, because they have a lots of time for shopping at the weekend. On the other side, normal people prefer depend on the needs. So when they need arise, so they can go for shopping.
What kind of places are popular for shopping in your country?
Well, there are lots of places in my countryside, such as supermarket, super mall, and many more, but Easy Day Super Mall is very popular in my countryside for a shopping.
Last question for today, and that is, do you think online shopping will replace shopping in reality?
According to me, definitely online shopping take place of the offline shopping.
Why do you think? Why?
Because we can see online shopping, majority of the people prefer to online shopping, because they can buy anything in a one click, and many more.
Okay, this is the end of your topic. Thank you.